Are you dealing with the issue where Valorant just won't open, start, or launch? No worries. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix it quickly. Let's jump right in. First, close down every instance of Valorant and Vanguard running in the background. Next, locate your Valorant installation folder. Go to Riot Games, then Valorant, then Live, then Shooter Game, then Binaries, then Win64. Find Valorant Win64 shipping. Right-click it, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and check Disable Fullscreen Optimizations. Apply and save the changes. Now, press the Windows key and search for Services. Find VGC, right-click it, choose Properties, set Startup Type to Automatic, then click Start and Apply. Next, search msconfig in Windows. Go to the Services tab, find VGC, and make sure the box is checked. Apply and save your changes. Now press Windows plus R at the same time. In the box that opens, type %appdata% and press OK. Go to App Data, then Local, then Riot Games, then Riot Client, then Data. Find Riot Games private settings.yaml. Right-click it, rename it by adding .1 to the end, and confirm. Open Device Manager by searching for it in Windows. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and choose Update Driver. Search automatically for updates and install if available. Next, search for Graphics Settings in Windows. In Graphics Settings, click Browse. Find the Riot Client Services.exe file in the Riot Games, Riot Client folder, add it, and set it to High Performance Mode. Save the changes. Now, right-click the Valorant shortcut, go to Properties, then Compatibility. If Run this program as administrator is enabled, disable it. Apply and save the changes. Finally, restart your PC. After rebooting, Valorant should now open without any issues. If this video helped you fix your Valorant problem, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.